In this second of 3 videos, I'd like to highlight 2 important best practices you should use before you put anybody into breakout rooms. As you probably personally experienced, breakout rooms are one of the most powerful tools we have in facilitating virtual sessions. No matter the size of your team, providing them the opportunity to have discussions in smaller teams enables you to cover more content and certainly will keep them much more fully engaged. In the CEF workshop you're about to see, we had over 50 participants and used breakouts extensively throughout. The feedback we received after the fact reinforced that this was one of the most enjoyable aspects of this session for them. While tools like Zoom have made using breakout rooms easier than ever, to do it well requires a lot more than just splitting them up and letting them go. Let's discuss 2 very specific best practices that you can use. The first is to ensure that everybody understands the purpose and outcomes expected. Why are they doing this? And what should they accomplish while they're there? The second is to provide very specific directions so that they know exactly what to do, how to do it, and what to expect along the way. Without both of these, they will certainly flounder, and this will not be their fault. It will be ours for not setting the stage. So let's see how we did this for this recent CEF workshop. What we're going to have now is we're going to have 3 different breakout sessions. In just a moment, Erin is going to place all of us into pairs breakouts. So you'll be put into a breakout room with one other person, which, by the way, is why we're going to ask you to select the away button if you're not here. Like I said, we're going to be doing this in 3 different versions. We're going to set the timer for 4 minutes. You'll see a countdown. We would suggest, as a best practice, when you see that the timing is going to go off, bring your conversation gracefully to the ground, but you do not need to exit the breakout team. We will do that for you. We're going to break out. We're going to come back to the full team, and then, as we used to say back in my days in the P&G shampoo bottles, we're going to lather, rinse, and repeat twice. So we're going to have 3 versions of this, and then we're going to come back and just do a quick debrief. In the course of that 4-minute breakout, what we'd like to ask you to do is to chat with your breakout partner around 2 specific questions. The first one is, what has been the single greatest challenge for you, personally or professionally, as we transition into this new way of working and living? And then the second is, what has been a source of light and gratitude for you? So kind of the yin and the yang of where we are right now. In our next video, I'll highlight a best practice you can use to wrap up any session you lead. Until then, thank you.